Welcome to JH. Today, I am going to show you how to change Xbox controls to PS4 for Steam games in only 5 minutes. If you are a gamer who prefers the ergonomics of a PlayStation controller but uses Steam for most of your gaming, this guide will help you switch those controls effortlessly. Let's get started. First, open your Steam application. Whether you are on a desktop or using a mobile device, ensure the app is launched and active. Once it opens, click the Login button. If you are already signed into your account, you can skip this part. For everyone else, go ahead and enter your account name and password. After inputting your credentials, click Sign In to reach your Steam dashboard. Now that you have logged in, take a moment to look at the interface. From the main screen, navigate to the Library tab where all your purchased games are listed. Find the specific game you want to play with your PS4 controller and select it. Once you have found the game, right-click on the title to open a submenu with various options. From this list, select Properties, which is where you can adjust your game-specific configurations. In the Properties window, you will see several tabs at the top of the screen. Click on the Controller tab to manage how your devices interact with the game. This next part is the most important step. In the Controller section, look for a drop-down menu labeled Steam Input per Game Setting. Click this menu and select the option to disable Steam Input. By doing this, you are stopping Steam from automatically remapping your controls to an Xbox layout, which allows your PS4 controller to be recognized natively instead. After you have selected Disable Steam Input, you can close the Properties window. Your PS4 controller is now ready to use. Start your game and enjoy the experience with your preferred controller setup. It is a quick and simple process that lets you switch from Xbox to PS4 controls seamlessly. Remember that this setting is unique to each game, so you will need to repeat these steps for any other titles you want to configure. That is all for today. Thanks for watching and enjoy gaming with your PlayStation controller on Steam.